Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews. Today, we have something that's essential for productivity and comfort: the Loigys wireless keyboard. Stick around for the next 5 minutes as we explore its features, performance, and why it's a great addition to your workspace. Let's kick things off with the convenience factor. The Loigys wireless keyboard is all about ease of use. It's a plug-and-play keyboard, which means you can say goodbye to software downloads and complicated setups. Plus, it operates on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection that provides a powerful and reliable connection up to 33 feet without any annoying delays. Now, here's a smart feature that sets this keyboard apart. It's equipped with an auto-enter power-saving function. When you stop using the keyboard for more than 30 minutes, it enters sleep mode to save power. But the best part is that you can easily wake it up by pressing any key. No need to worry about forgetting to turn off a switch and wasting battery life. And speaking of batteries, it requires just one AA battery to keep it running. Let's talk comfort. The Loigys wireless keyboard is ergonomically designed with a comfortable palm rest, making it perfect for those long typing sessions. Say goodbye to wrist discomfort and hello to productivity. It even has a folding holder that keeps the keyboard at an optimum slope. And, to ensure it stays in place while you type quickly, it features anti-slide pads on the bottom. This keyboard doesn't skimp on keys. It follows the classic 104-key design, complete with a number pad. You'll also find convenient indicators for number lock, caps lock, and power in the upper right corner. Plus, it's equipped with an adjustable stand on the bottom, so you can customize your typing experience. The Loigys wireless keyboard is a true all-rounder when it comes to compatibility. It works seamlessly with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and even Mac and other operating systems. Whether you have a desktop, Chromebook, PC, or laptop, it's got you covered. And here's the cherry on top: it comes with 12 months of free after-sales service. If you have any questions or issues, the support team has your back. So, there you have it, the Loigys wireless keyboard. It's the epitome of convenience with its plug-and-play setup, smart power-saving features, and ergonomic design. Whether you're in the office or working from home, this keyboard is your trusty companion for comfortable and efficient typing. If you found this review helpful and are considering upgrading your keyboard, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or experiences to share, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer, and we'll catch you in the next video.